Hey guys, it's Gauri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing 3 super easy organizational DIYs to help you organize your things all while having fun with it. And if you're new here, remember to click the subscribe button below and let's get to it. This first DIY is a replacement for your bulky old shelves. These wooden crates are very good at storing whatever's important to you, and it's also a great room decoration piece. This is a very quick, cheap, and simple DIY. Alright guys, so I just bought these normal wooden crates from Michael's. They're really affordable, they're not that expensive, which is why I bought 4 of them. But again, it's kind of up to you how much you want to buy. Like, depending on the amount of space you have in your room, you can either buy more or less, but for me, I think 4 is good enough. Okay guys, so this is basically all you really need for this DIY. As I told you, it's super short and super simple. All we have to do is kind of like arrange them in any pattern that you like. So I'll show you guys how I did mine, and again, just place it against a wall just so it doesn't like fall or anything like that. So I'll show you how I did mine. Okay guys, so I just organized these crates, but again, it's just one pattern out of so many other ways to kind of organize this. Again, it's completely your choice. Do whatever you think is best, but this is how I decided to organize my crates. So now for the next part about actually putting stuff on them, I chose a backpack guitar, a drawing, and a clock to put on my crates, but again, it's completely your choice. I would kind of want an aesthetic-ish vibe, but completely up to you. And I decided not to put that much stuff. As you see, I'm only having 4 stuff in it. But again, you can either put nothing on your crates or you can put lots of stuff, okay guys? So I'm going to show you how I organized my crates with these stuff. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I decided to leave these 2 crates in the bottom empty, just for a minimalist sort of vibe. But again, as I feel like I want to put more stuff in it, of course I will put my stuff in here. I have tons of space to, put stuff in or get stuff out. Again, you can do whatever you want with it, and that's basically it. This next DIY is a homemade planner that can help you organize your day, and it's super easy to do. Alright guys, so for the second DIY, here are all the materials that you'll need. So one picture frame, for me I got an 11" by 14". Again, totally up to you. And the color of the frame doesn't matter at all, just your preference. Get some sticky notes, a variety of markers. As you see, I've got some thinner colored markers and some thicker expo markers, and just any normal eraser. So what you want to do is deassemble your picture frame, remove all of these hook thingies from your picture frame. Get this out. And I see my picture frame came with this sheet, but we don't want to show this on our calendar. Instead, we want to show the white side. So place it like this. Put this back and then hook everything again. So the white is really just like a background for your calendar. You don't really have to buy anything for it. We're just saving money and material here. But then, if you want a fancier background, go for it. But for me, I think this white is just perfect. Okay guys, so this is my overall plan for my calendar. So on the top, I'm going to write the month. Then a little below that, I'll write the exact date. And below that, I'll write special events that are coming up over the week or the day or something like that. Then I'll write my goals, my long-term goals and my short goals. Then I color the day just to kind of inspire me, get me going for the day. And then the day schedule, so I'm organized, I know everything that's going to happen in the day. And again, you can organize it another way. You can do a weekly calendar. You can write all the days of the week and what's your schedule and goal for each and every day. That's another great idea, but for me, I think this works better. Okay guys, so now to make everything more clear in my calendar, I'm going to add sticky notes in each of my sections. organize my day planner. Okay guys, so this is my day calendar basically. I did it really quickly, so as you see, here's the month July, the date, the 31st. This is basically important events. I wrote them all down. I wrote a quote just to inspire me. I wrote my goals, and I also wrote my schedule for the day, and I also did like some minor decorations. I had some hearts, little positive vibes over here. So again, you can do whatever you want with this. This is your calendar, okay? Personalize it, add decorations, add color, add some really fun stuff that represents you. This final DIY is your own personal bookshelf, which you can place anywhere and customize it however you like. So the materials are 3 scrap pieces of cardboard, a hot glue gun, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and some scrapbook paper. So our bookshelf is basically going to look something like this. So the wall of it is over here, and the 2 sides are going to be like this and one over there. But as you see over here, there's lots of extra space over here. So what I'm going to do is cut off this excess space in both of these cardboards. The shape that I'm going to cut out on these cardboards. So the measurements are 2 inches on the top, 8 inches on the side, and then just the excess space at the bottom. Now I have all of our cardboard pieces cut out, so I'm going to decorate them with these scrapbook pieces of paper. How I'm going to do that is, so for this side, I'm going to glue 1 piece of paper like this, and then for the other side, I'm going to glue another piece of paper just like this. Now for these 2 wings, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to trace them out on 1 sheet of paper, and I'm going to do that another time on another piece of paper for the back. Now that we're done, I'm going to glue these scrapbook pieces of paper to the cardboard. Now that we've attached all our decorations to our cardboards, our last step is to attach everything together to form our bookshelf. This is the final design of our bookshelf, and I'm really happy with it because it looks really professional and it's not too big, so you can even place it on your desk and organize your papers and books and anything you need. And that's basically it. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click the thumbs up button below and subscribe if you haven't already. My last video is over there, so go ahead and check that out and comment below what you thought about these organizational DIYs. See you next time. Bye!